It is now 6 p.m. on December 1st, Beijing time. Yesterday's video suggested short selling EURUSD above 1.1010. After the video was issued, it did not rise and fell from 1.0950 to 1.0880 in advance, with a cumulative decline of 70 points. In addition, it is also recommended that EURUSD go long below 1.0900. The lowest price after the issue is 1.0880. Some long orders have reached the entry point. The current exchange rate is near the cost price of 1.0900. You can continue to hold and wait for better selling opportunities. Then there is gold. Yesterday's video suggested going long below 2029. After the issue, the lowest price of 2031.1 was $2.1 away from the entry point. It rose to 2049.7 ahead of schedule, with a cumulative increase of 186 points. The direction was correct, but there was no chance to enter, and it was not included in the transaction auto statistics chart. Today, we have calculated the profit from Li-Forex account in November. The cumulative profit is $41,935. The principal of $200,000 is equivalent to a monthly income of 21%. Now that we are entering December, the market will begin to focus on the extent and timing of the Federal Reserve's interest rate cuts, and its intervention in the market will only increase and be repeated. In the past 3 years, Li-Forex team has maintained a monthly profit of 11 to 19%, and it is expected to maintain this range in December. As the market becomes more complicated, it is becoming more difficult to achieve monthly gains exceeding 19% like in October and November. In the case of constant market turmoil, if you prefer a stable operation and feel that the monthly return of 11 to 19% is okay, those who are interested can also ask me for the observation password of Li-Forex account. The initial funds under custody range from $5,000 to $200,000. You can not only see historical records, but also watch the entire transaction process in real time. Choose the cooperation mode that suits you as needed. How to operate today? Because we still hold long orders from EURUSD that enter the market below 1.0900. And the current exchange rate is in the buying range of 1.0897. You can hold it and wait for better selling opportunities. No new points will be made in EURUSD. As for gold, the core PCE data released by the United States last night was in line with expectations, but the continued decline in data values increased the possibility of the Federal Reserve ending its interest rate high cycle. Although interest rates have not yet started to be cut, in the opinion of Wall Street analysts, this will eventually happen in the second half of 2024. However, before the rate cut comes, its magnitude and timing will be repeatedly polled by the market. But overall, it will mainly boost gold prices. Gold is now seriously overbought, and there is a greater risk of a correction. However, the market's bullish sentiment overwhelms the technical aspects, and it is possible to continue to break through 2050 in the short term. The lower support remains unchanged at 2025 to 2000. It is recommended to go long at 2027 to 2013 during the day, with stop loss at 2012. In addition to Europe and gold, 2 to 3 products will be selected from the 5 targets of GBP, AUD, JPY, silver, and crude oil, including their support, resistance, and directions will be given for reference. The upper part is yesterday's signals review chart, and the lower part is today's point of view sharing. But it is only recommended for traders who have a certain short-term trading basis. The target point is not placed on the video. Li-Forex will also watch the market trend and notify more accurate selling tips in the group. Scan the QR code on the top of the screen for cooperation consultation and contact me. Finally, I'll give you a famous quote from Turfy Yertofsky.